Oh my God, this is an awesome cover photo. Oh my God, this is an awesome cover photo. If you guys want to see me slay this makeup look, if you guys want to see me slay this, and this is my cover photo. Watch to the end, y'all. Watch to the end. I have my cover photo for my album that's going to be coming out soon. Watch to the end. Hair done by me, Slay, as always. Oh my God, I love you, my code gang.
I'm icy, icy, cold. Icy, they all wanna be like me, cause I'm icy, 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 cold. Icy, I'm the coldest in the game, yeah, you know I'm icy. Gotta do my makeup and I do it well. Gotta beat my face up, looking sexy as hell. That's Shay, Icy Shay. Now subscribe and join the family, Cold Gang.
What's up, Code Gang? It's your girl, Icy Shay, and I'm back with another one, back with another one. Yeah, and I'm back with another lit makeup tutorial for all of my subbies that's already here. Welcome back and welcome to a new video. For everyone that's new, welcome. You are surely welcome. And subscribe if you would like. Leave suggestions if you would like if you would like. Today I am going to be doing my makeup look for my cover video of my music album. I'm talking about YouTube. My music album, you guys. I will be dropping my music soon. I'm so excited. I can't wait. And I'm just going to be doing the YouTube look for that. I got my hair done nicely. I did my hair, y'all. And I just put it, this is my first time actually doing this. And I made my clips. Like, you know how you clip the tracks? So I made clip tracks. And I'm going to be doing a little DIY showing you guys how I made that. That will be really nice and really fun. But before this video starts, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also, don't forget to leave suggestions in the comment area. Y'all, let's just enjoy the fun. I miss you guys. I'm happy to be here. And I just can't wait to glam myself up. I'm going to be doing something really cute and red. So stay tuned for that. And I just thought, like, I want to do everything with you guys. So I will be doing my eyebrows on camera. I'm going to be using this new brush I just got. Well, this new eyebrow is Ruby Kisses. I'm going to sharpen it. Just to make sure it's sharpened. Just to make sure my lady got me. Yeah. And when I do my eyebrows, I normally just try to make it look just like my real eyebrow. Just a little darker, just like I'm shading something in for my eyebrows. So even if I get dark, I still take my other side. And this side is really nice. The gristles on here is hard, which is not a problem for me. But I'm able to really get my eyebrow how I want it. And since my bang is really going to be covering it, it's really not going to matter. So it's going to be more easier for me to manage. Do the other side. Okay, so I'm good with this right now. Now it's time to prime. The reason why I'm not putting so much at the top is because My bang's gonna be up there, so I really don't have to put too much at the top. I really just need to focus on my eyes and stuff. This is my Ruby Kiss concealer brush. And I'm just going to conceal my eyes to how I want my eyes to match the other side. Where am I concealing? And how I really went off of it was how my things stop. Oh my God, y'all, I forgot the prime on one eye. I mean, conceal. I'm not even finna waste no time, though. I forgot to conceal. But it's gonna have, the party must go on, you know? It looks, whoa, the pigment is like way more there. Whoa. Shit, that's what I should have did anyway. And y'all know that first palette was taking me back to Badil, and this is my smoky eye palette. Y'all see the color I'm gonna use. This brush really, oh, this is the Magic Collection, and I believe it's like that Magic Gold collection. I'm not for sure, it's just a Magic Collection, so we're just gonna go with Magic Gold because I love that collection. And this brush set almost reminds me of a collection from something like that, so. For me to have used two different ones, it actually didn't turn out bad. So first I'm going to start with my upper area just because I'm not really going to do much with that. And actually, I'm not really going to do anything with that. I'm really just going to focus on the area really where I'm going to be using makeup at, because this is a bang and It's just going to be putting extra makeup I really don't need to use. Now for foundation, I'm just going to be using one, and this is my HD Flawless in Espresso. I actually got another one because I was running out, and I'm just going to use one. And I think today, like, I'm just going to use this. And this is the same brush I use as for my concealer, and I will be using for my other concealer too. Sure is. I'm actually just going to start this off like this. And I'm going to see how it works out. Okay, so now we're going to take our beauty blender, and we're going to blend all of that in now. Okay. I finally got my foundation how I want it. And oh, y'all, it is popping. Oh my God, my foundation is popping. So, yeah, I am going to get that together. The next step is concealer. And when I think concealer, I'm like, I don't want to do too much. I don't want to overdo the look. I want the look to look nice. And I just want it to look like, okay, she doing her cover photo and she letting you bitches know, like, this is her music. Just something like that. So, we about to get the concealer ready. As you guys know, I'm really just going to be concealing right here and a little bit of my really pinpoint. Just because, like I said, my bang won't really be highlighted. I have hair right here. So, I'm just really going to focus on my eyes and just a tad bit of my chin. And really, I just applied this with my brush, and I didn't really use too much just because I wanted to look natural. So now I'm going to take that beauty blender, the same one I use for my foundation. So now y'all see, it's a natural highlight though. That's why I like this concealer, because it's a natural highlight. It's not nothing like, girl, it's like, that's popping for your skin. Do that shit, girl. And also, y'all know, like I said, I'm about to be dropping my new music. It's been a while. I've been writing a lot of stuff, and I'm ready to drop my music, and I'm really ready to get this music together like it should be and stop playing. So that's why I'm doing this makeup tutorial, because I miss you guys. Plus, I'm ready to drop my music, and I need a cover photo. So I just thought, why not glam myself up and make a badass cover photo with my nice ass hair I just did. Now I'm just gonna do just like that. I ain't trying to put too much powder. Not too much powder, because I want my pictures to look poppy. But I almost forgot about the powder. But I want my pictures to look poppy, so let's put this powder on her, but just not too much. Because they're going to be like, okay, they're going to know. Shay is here to claim her spot, to get her spot. This is her spot. Now it's time to do some contouring. So I'm going to use this color, the darkest color from the palette. And I'm just going to go ahead and just dabble that a little bit. And I'm just going to get that contour. And this is like really my first time using this brush. I don't know where I got this brush from, honestly. But whoa, it's actually nice. And I honestly really don't know where I got this brush from, but I never really use it. So this is my first time using it. Oh, it's a Bare Mineral brush. And I actually went to them one time when I was in Georgia. They have nice products. So I'm just contouring. Basically, that's how, yeah. I contoured my nose. I don't know if y'all guys see that, but I'm just gonna add some highlight to my nose. I contoured this shit out of my nose too, y'all. I'm not even gonna lie. Now I'm just bringing some highlight to my nose, and also, yes. What am I missing? Blush. This is my new blush. It's like, the last time I used it, it wasn't like that potent, but we're gonna smile and see what it's doing today. So it's not too much, but it's worth it though. I mean, oh, never mind. Okay. Okay. Now we're gonna take another brush and we're just gonna like blush that all together. And how could this look not be a success without my famous highlight? I am going to be going in with Trailblazer. And I'm just going to lightly like tap it. And now I'm just going to, and I'm going to do the other side the same way. Just lightly tap. And then just like, then bring all that goodness to her. And a look can never be a success without my lips. So I'm going to be going in with my matte. And this is just like a brown color. I'm going to be going in with this brown color first. Now I'm going in with this LA lip gloss like pout. And it's like, it kind of gets sticky. But I'm going to try to do something to not get it sticky. And this is just to bring a red tint to my black lips, that just something to match my lips. I mean my eye. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this is my Magic Collection. Again, I'm going to take a small brush. I'm going to dip back into that black from the Smoky Eye palette. And I'm going to focus on my eyes again just before I finish. Now, let's see. I'm going to... Oh, it wanted to cause some trouble, I see. But, I'm just going to tap it. And that's just to bring that black down. Okay, so I'm just about to fix my hair now before I put my mascara on. Now I'm going to use my setting spray. This is the end result. Oh my God, I'm loving it. Oh my God, this is my cover photo. I'm so excited. This is the end result. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also, don't forget to leave suggestions in the comment area for your girl, Icy Shay. Oh, yes. I love you guys. Thank you all for the support. I'll see you guys on another video.